main feature at Gleaneagles was the short goods-only branch that served the nearby hotel, a project conceived in 1909 by the Caledonian Railway to serve the rich and famous. Construction was delayed by the outbreak of World War I, but the hotel eventually opened in 1924 under LMS ownership, quickly establishing itself as one of Scotland's premier hotels with its championship golf courses and other sporting facilities. The branch was laid to deliver building materials during construction of the hotel, and afterwards for delivering provisions together with the transportation of linen between the hotel and its laundry in Edinburgh. On the first part of the journey from the hotel to Gleaneagles, it was the practice to draw wagons, with engine crews instructed not to exceed 8 miles per hour on the branch. Shortly before the hotel line joined the Crieff branch, an additional loop was provided to allow the locomotive to run round its train and finally propel its wagons into the sidings at Gleaneagles station. The branch rapidly lost traffic to road transport in the 1950s and closed completely with closure of the Gleaneagles to Crieff line. Locomotives to work the hotel branch were provided by Stirling Depot, which frequently supplied ex-Caledonian Railway Class 2Fs, known as jumbos, ideally suited to the leisurely pace of the pick-up goods. However, locomotives for the Crieff branch were supplied by Perth, usually a Black 5. Although tank locomotives were perhaps better suited to branch line services, their limited coal capacity was a problem. So Black 5s remained in charge until the branch closed.